perfect shot right in there. Bunch of fish. Surprisingly, the trailer doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would. Because when I picked this shit up, man, it stinks like shit. Oh, actually, it does smell a little bit. So once I get done with this one, I'm gonna have to like leave a door open so it can like ventilate. All right, let's back this some bitch up. That's a dead end over there. I need to back up into here. So I didn't really want to blindside it. So what I ended up doing is I ended up pulling straight. I backed the trailer in that way. I came this way. You can see my tires right here. Came this way. Stayed snug along the curb right here. All the way up until the end of my doors were right here. And no, those are not my tire marks. I ended up backing it up, backing it up, backing it up until I got it into there. It was easy. So, yeah, just something light on Sunday. And once we're done here, they're already unloading me. Once we're done here, I'm gonna go back and hang out with my cousins and, I don't know, see what we do for today on Sunday. But, yeah, something light. Finally showered. I hadn't showered in a couple of days because it was just like hauling ass non-stop, but finally showered, changed, looking fresh, feeling good. And yeah, we're gonna get unloaded now, hang out, chill for the day, and then see what tomorrow brings us. So I think that's it for the vlog, guys. Peace.